What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of connecting Google Calendar with ClickUp. Syncing these two powerful tools enhances your ability to manage calendar events, meetings, and tasks seamlessly with ClickUp. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will provide you with actionable steps to get started. First, visit the ClickUp website. Type app.clickup.com, and as you can see, mine is already open. After logging in, click your workspace at the top left of your website screen. After clicking your workspace, click Settings. While you are in the Settings tab, find the Calendar tab on the left side of the screen. After you find a Calendar tab, click on it. As you can see, there are three choices to sync up your calendar to your ClickUp workspace. Since we're here to connect your Google Calendar with ClickUp, click Google Calendar. After choosing Google Calendar, click Connect, and as you can see, a new tab appears. If your account isn't logged in, log it in. Mine is already logged in, so I will choose this account, which is mine. After logging into your account, click Continue. It's optional if you want to check the box regarding what ClickUp can access. After that, click Continue, and as you can see, your account in the ClickUp is now connected to Google Calendar. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.